Hi everyone. You will be wondering most of the times like what kind of gift can be given to this new generation kids, right? So they will be most of the time they are interested in applications in mobile and laptop, right? So how can you engage them into the real world? So this is a gift which can be given to kids who are interested in coloring. At the same time, we can make these animals or whatever they have colored make like come alive from the coloring sheets. So this is amazing, right? So let's see what and all is there. So this comes like a booklet like this, and you can just have a booklet with a giraffe on top of that. You can see that it's coming out of the mobile. On back of that you can see what are the sheets animals which are there in that. So there are rhino, lion, hippo, giraffe, gazelle and elephant. And what are there, like you can color it using coloring sheets, and then you can scan to make these animals come alive. And other than that, this has some spelling, habitat, food habitat schemes. Okay, so let us open this. So you can just push it like this, the booklet like this, and this will come out with sheets, or around how many sheets, like 6 sheets will be there with sketch pens. So these sheets are like magic sheets, you can call them as magic sheets. So you can your kids can color them and whatever colors they need. Like let it be a pink giraffe, you don't worry about that the color of that animals. A blue giraffe, pink giraffe, pink elephant. Let your kids imagination come alive. Okay, so let's start coloring. You can see that there is a coloring option for the animals which are already given in the application, but still you can use whatever color your kids like. Okay, so only one thing you have to make sure that the borders are not crossed. Okay, that black color borders, your kid should not scratch those black color borders. Okay, so this is one of the painting which my kid has done. As I already told you, let their imagination come alive rather than ours. Okay, and on back side of the sheet you can have that some kind of questions, that is some kind of informational questions. You can have like what is the information about giraffe, what kind of food it eats, and what are the other information about that. So similarly you can see the blue elephant which has been colored by my kid. Okay, so we have all that sheets ready. You can have that back side of that sheet also to be filled by your kid, so you can engage them with some more time. You will have that answers on below of that sheet, so you don't worry about the answers. So you will have the answers also ready. So at least 1 or 2 hours you can engage the kid with coloring and answering these questions. So all this is about the coloring. So you can have the 6 sheets and the questions also. So questionnaire is also ready. So it's like you can give 1 sheet per day, 1 day, so that they should wait for the other sheets, right? So we should give more enthusiasm to them to how. So we'll see how we can make this come alive, giraffe come alive. So what we need to do is, like, we have to download the app for that. So how to download this app? You will have a barcode on top on that booklet itself. You can either use that one, or you can just go to the Play Store and download the app. So this will come like an augmented reality. So the pictures from the color sheet will come to alive only after using this app. Okay, so let's get a mobile and type Play Store. I'm downloading the app using Play Store, not by barcode scanner. Okay, so you can use either the barcode scanner or just go to the Play Store and type whatever you need. Okay, so let's download the app and just type Play Store in your mobile and open the Play Store. You can type SmartVT Edge. Okay, so you just type SmartVT Edge in that Play Store, and you can see there are lots of SmartVT Edge. Just make sure that you are selecting this SmartVT Edge by the you can see on backside of the booklet or what you have to type and all. So you will have the instructions over there also. So you just type SmartVT Edge app. You should select the one which is of SmartVT Labs. Okay, so just click on that one. So it will start downloading this SmartVT Edge, and after downloading this one, it will start installing. So you just click on the install button. So it will take some time. So let's wait for that to download and install. So meanwhile, you can ask your kid to color the app. Okay, so it's downloading. It's around 61.53 MB. So make sure that you have enough space in your mobile. So it has done with the downloading part. Now let's see how we can open the application and make your kids picture come alive. So currently I have taken the giraffe picture. My kid has finished with the coloring of giraffe. So let's take the giraffe sheet ready. Okay, so this is ready. So I'm done with that. My kid is done with the coloring of that giraffe, and she has done with the questionnaire part also. It's not mandatory to fill that questionnaire section, but still it's good, right? They will know more about what they have colored. Okay, so just open that SmartVT Edge app. It will ask for permission. Click on allow to access your photos and medias. Just again click on allow. So it will again open the app. So once it has opened the app, it will open like a normal application. So where you can select which one you are going to choose. There is coloring option and jigsaw puzzle. So currently we are choosing coloring sheet because we have coloring sheet as of now. I'll explain about jigsaw puzzle in another video. So let's go for the coloring sheet. Just tap on the coloring sheet. It's clearly informative, like how you have to do and all. On click of that, you can see lots of options. So these are the other options you can try without. So currently we have Jungle Safari with us. Other than that, we have dinosaurs, dinosaur adventure, and learning paths. We have some Nemo. You know already, like Nemo is there. So we are currently going to select Jungle Safari. So click on download of the Jungle Safari. Okay, so since you can see the same name on top of our booklet which we have. So click on that download, and it will take some time. They have given a very clear, like interesting video. There is a music also. You can just click on the media, and it's very like you won't get bored of this. So it's downloading Jungle Safari. So it's done. Once it's done, again tap on the Jungle Safari. It will ask without border or with border. Since you can check in your sheets that you have that with border, not the without border. So the sheets, if you look into the sheets, it's all with borders. So you have to select the option like with border. So the border will be scanned in such a way that our pictures come alive. So select with border option, and once you select with border, you can see all the animals in the sheet. Okay, so we have done with coloring has been done only for giraffe, and so let's go for giraffe first. So just tap on the giraffe. You can see all other animals. Okay, so once you're done with that one, you can tap on that also. So now click tap on the giraffe. It will again load, and it will come a screen like this. So what you have to do is, like, this is a scanning screen. So you have to make your giraffe sheet ready, and you have to keep your mobile on top of that, so that border comes exactly in the scanning sheet. Okay, so you should raise your mobile like this, and once it's scanned, the red color will go and it will go like a green one. So you have to make exactly the borders match with the outline which they have given. Okay, so you should keep like this the borders, and just raise it like this exactly to fit into the border. Okay, once it's fit, you can hear the sound of a giraffe, and see, right, your giraffe has come out of your picture. How much interesting it is, right? So you can see a dragonfly which is flying, and giraffe is walking. You can make the giraffe come out of your picture and walk on the floor. So these are the other options which you have: attack, sound, run, eat. Okay, so these are the other options which you have in the app. So you can see how you have colored the same way that picture will come out. So your kid will be very happy to see whatever she or he has colored coming to life, right? So even you can see in the mark which my daughter has kept on the giraffe is there, the black color dot. So same way you can have all other options. There is an attack option, so the giraffe will make such a sound like it will be very interesting to hear the sound. And there is another option like run, and what are the other options? Eat and play. So let's make the giraffe go into your hand of your kid, and you can make them move wherever we want. Okay, so it's very much interesting, right? So we can give food to the giraffe, and the sound is also there, as I already told you. So these are the other options which you have. And one more thing is that like there is an option like play and learn. Okay, so this is for running option. You will get a hand signal, and you can just move the giraffe on top of your legs, on top of your hands, or wherever you want you can project. So the picture which your kid has colored will be running all over your house. So they will be interested to play with the picture which they have colored. So you can make use of all other options also. There is a play and learn option. So play and learn option is like it will go out of this picture, so I won't prefer that mostly, but still you can try that one because they will be fully into the mobile for the play and learn, because but still it's good. They contain some informational questions and all informations about this giraffe, and this you can see that coloring book, puzzle, all these things are there in the play area. So you can make use of that one, or you can go for the learn option also. Learn is like know more, spell and quiz. So all the options will be there. So if you want to know more about that giraffe, you can go for the know more option. So what is this animal, and what are the features of this animal, all these things will be there in the know more option. So better go for know more option, so that they know what they have colored. So they will have a spell questions also, spell the animal, and they will have another option like there is a puzzle kind of thing. So they can make use of all this. The kids can understand what are there about giraffe. So all these are informational things in addition to the coloring which we have. So it's a very nice app because all the kids will be fully into the mobile in nowadays. So you can make use of this coloring sheets and the puzzle. So they will be both interested in both. So this is the sound. You will be able to hear the sound, right? So this is the sound which we have for the app. So it's a very interesting sound which we have. And what we have next is like my kid has colored an elephant. So I'm going to scan the elephant. Okay, so it's a heard. It's an elephant sound. So that elephant also came out of the sheets. So this also came alive, and it's like we can make the elephant eat, play and run, and similar way whatever we have done for the giraffe, same things you can do for the elephant also.